I thought it was too good an opportunity to miss. I get to go to Las Vegas for free.
And so do I.
No, but that's not for free, Steve. Come on, Steve, show off your new t-shirt from France, from that little shop.
I will. Look, it's a bit Banksy-esque, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it's not the real Banksy.
I know.
Yeah.
I think he's an Australian artist.
Is it?
But yeah, I just quite liked it.
You don't see them, do you?
Sort of different.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
Yes.
So here we are talking about a slightly different film that's going to be coming your way soon.
Yes. We kind of thought we ought to do something.
Yeah.
Didn't we?
Because this has come about really unexpectedly, hasn't it, Steve?
Yes, it has.
Yeah.
What we have done over the years, and I'm going to say that, when we got to our 40th birthday, there's only 3 months between us. So when we got to our 40th, we thought we'd do something different, something slightly special. So we had breakfast on the Masa Mara. So,
Yeah,
as you do,
went to
safari
Kenya.
and all that shit.
Not in a caravan,
No,
by the way.
no,
we
no.
didn't go caravanning, did we? No, it was fab.
It was fab. And then for 50, we thought we'd, Belgium, and go halfway up the Eiffel Tower as a nice restaurant in the middle like that. And didn't quite work out that one, did
No,
it?
disaster from start to finish.
But anyway, yeah. But this one, we're getting close to being 60. And
Yeah, I don't. That can't be true, Steve. It can't
yeah, I'm
be
afraid
true.
it is. Afraid it is true. And we're having to save up a little bit of dosh because we're going to do something different, aren't we? We're going to go from Chicago down the Route 66 all the way to Santa Monica. And we're going to be doing that in a motorhome.
Or RV.
Well, the Americans call it RVs.
RV.
Now, the problem is that they said to me, which RV model would you like? And the models are C something or other and C something or other. And I'm going, I don't know.
No clue.
I just no idea because I don't know anything about motorhomes. And you can't really go and have a look at the ones in the UK because they're not UK spec ones. They're different models. So, yes, we're going to have to look at American ones. And we're doing that next month, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Why is that?
That might not be next month for other people watching
Well,
this.
be middle
It
of
might
October.
be this month.
Middle of October,
Yeah,
yes.
or last month even, depending on when we put this out.
Yes.
But yes, oh right, okay, I'll tell you the backstory. In my other life, when we're not caravanning, I run a small business. So I am known in the trade as a PR journalist hybrid. So I have a PR company, but I'm also a working journalist. One of the publications that I write for is online and it's called SME Today. And I write features for them about every 6 to 8 weeks where I interview a successful entrepreneur in their field. One that I interviewed was a chap called Adam who runs a company called petshop.co.uk. Some of you may have used it. And as part of that interview, we talked about the tech on which his company is based. This tech is based on a system called NetSuite, which is owned by a massive tech company called Oracle that I'd actually never heard of.
In my world, they're in the telecoms world, they do call centre stuff. Anyway, by the by,
Yes.
you got an email, and we work, fairly close to each other. My ears were pricked up at the thought of you getting this email saying, "Oh look, I've been invited to a conference."
I was invited to a tech conference where they said they'd put me up in a hotel for 4 nights if I attended, and they'd pay for my flight. So I thought, where is this tech conference? Where is it?
Of course, my ears are picking up now because the word flight came
Yes,
into it.
but I'm just going to do this because this was for me. Okay, it's for me, the least techie person in the world. He's Mr. Tech. I'm along for the ride. Anyway, it turned out it's in Las Vegas. So I thought it was too good an opportunity to miss. I get to go to Las Vegas for free.
And so do I.
No, but that's not for free, Steve.
Yeah, I know. So we're paying for just my bit. You can go to work and I can go and see other things. And now, one of the other things is in Las Vegas, I thought, I wonder if there's an RV park. And there is. And I'm trying to get my head around it. This company say that they've got 32,000 RVs. I mean, that's huge, but that's got to be across the entire America. They're quite a large American outfit. So I'm thinking, well, they've got a lot, looking at the website and stuff. So I should be able to go there and find out what a C bar looks like, and then we can go and have a look. So that's kind of that. But they also have a shop, which means I can, well, I can't bring too much back,
No.
but I can have a look and see what there is.
Yes, and I may be with Steve, I may not, because I've got to fit it around the conference, but we are off in October, and my free trip, because Steve has decided to come along, is suddenly not free.
No, but what that does, that means for your benefit, you can have a look at the American RV sides on the motorhome bits, because in a couple of years' time, or a year and a half's time, we'll be going to do the RV trip 31 days, I think it is, from one end to the other, and you can come with us on that.
Absolutely, and I would just like to say that my birthday is in a different year to Steve's. I've just got to get that
only
in there.
just.
It's still a different year.
Till next time.